Hey, so here's a quick walking tour of our Lakeview Lux Estate. This place is absolutely remarkable. 8 bedrooms, this beautiful double door entranceway. Once you get inside, there's what we call a wave wall. It's changing colors. At nighttime, it's beautiful. It goes from blue and pink, and then check out this hallway. Look at the detail that we put in the masters. Every one of these is a master suite. Look at the detail that we have here. Isn't that just beautiful? Go into the first one here. Bathroom. All of our bathrooms have these stained glass windows. Got lights underneath of the bed here. Fantastic view. The idea of it being elevated is that you can see down at the lake and you can see down at the ski slope. So that's actually ski slope right there. In the wintertime, you'll see people skiing right down below. Look at the lake, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so there's master bedroom number 1. Master bedroom number 2. This one, number 2 and number 3 are largely identical, but just different beds. They both have the hot tub. Jacuzzi jets, again, beautiful etched art, beautiful view of the lake. I'll take you master bedroom number 3. Master bedroom 3, you can see, same as master bedroom 2, just a different bed. Again, they both have the jacuzzi tub. This one we turned on with bubbles for you so you can get an idea of what it looks like. And you could be watching the skiers go by even from the bath. Again, the stained glass. All the bedrooms have the stained glass. The bathrooms have the stained glass. This one actually has an electric fireplace. And they're very large master bedrooms. There's 3 on this floor. Then there's a Jack and Jill room that are great for children. You have a queen size bed here and it connects through a Jack and Jill bathroom, double sink, bathroom and shower. And then you have 2 single beds. Sometimes you have groups with 2 guys or 2 girls traveling together. So it's good out of 8 bedrooms to have one with 2 single beds. And take you for a tour upstairs now. That's 5 of the bedrooms. The rest are down on the lower level. The reason why we put the living room, dining room, and kitchen upstairs, this is where you're going to spend most of the time, and this is where you're going to get the best view from because you're high over top of the mountain. You can see here we start with the kitchen. This kitchen is phenomenal, designed to cook for 20 people. This is a gather-around hibachi griddle, but you can cook eggs, pancakes, tons of stuff there. We have not 1, not 2, but 3 refrigerator freezers. Full size, so you got freezer, ice maker. Most places do not have enough refrigerator freezer space or enough ice maker space for feeding 20 people at a time. We also have a warming drawer, so it's great. You can cook food, put it in the warming drawer. Somebody comes up, I'll have bacon and eggs. You might already have the bacon in there. And then you can go ahead and make their pancakes, the eggs, what have you. Usually in every group there's 1 chef. All the adults naturally gather around an island. So this is like a super island where you can put on shows, or you can hire one of our private chefs and we can do a private chef experience with a private hibachi chef that can do a hibachi show or many other different experiences that we offer. This TV you'll see is the same that's on this 16-foot drop-down theater screen that you press a button. It's even clearer at nighttime. You come back from the ski slopes on these TV screens, you can, in an instant, bring up your home movies of the kids skiing or if you're out in the summer, water skiing or boating. A lot of places rent boats around here. And it comes out not only on these 2 screens, but in surround sound throughout this entire great room. I'll show you how the screen works at nighttime. You can see the beautiful fireplace in the living room. In the daytime, you put this screen up. It's actually viewable in the daytime, but at nighttime it's unbelievable. It is 100% HD. We also have that lower screen there in the daytime, so if you would rather look out here at the great outdoors, you can watch TV with the lower screen. We have an outside dining table, so in the summertime you can sit out here again while you're eating. Look at the great outdoors out here. A hot tub. This is an 8-person hot tub minimum. So you can sit out here in the winter and enjoy cooling off or warming up from the slopes. And again, that's the ski slopes down here. Just like I showed you off the bedrooms, that hill right there, that is covered in snow. So this is all covered in snow. You ski right across the bridge and right down. And in the front of the house, you take the chairlift back and walk right in the house. All of our houses are ski in, ski out. This is Lakeview Lux on Wisp Resort in Maryland, but all of our houses are ski in, ski out. This is what we call the human car wash. We have the barbecue back here. We have robes for you, so when you get out of the hot tub, you got your robes. And the reason we call it the human car wash, you need one of 3 things. You might need a beverage. You can get it out of here, go right back in, or you need to dry off. So this is a spa or the sauna. You come in here, the sauna will dry you up real fast. Or if it's cold, you can stay in there and warm up a little bit. Now that you're dry, now you might want to go to the bathroom, or it enters back into the kitchen. But it does all of that without having to go through this living room and upsetting other people that are here watching TV and so on. We have 2 fireplaces you'll see. One's viewable from the kitchen, one's viewable from the living room. Of course, in most spots at a great room, you can actually see both of them. When you go behind this, there is what we call a shadow theater that we created, where you can dance back here. There's props. You can put props on, a Michael Jackson hat or another hat. And on the TV screen, you're going to see, right now we have football playing, but on the TV screen, you're going to see, let's say, a Michael Jackson video. If you bring up Michael Jackson on YouTube, then you put on one of these props, and on the other side, you will see your image and your dance hair. And on the other side of this, everyone in the living room can then see your silhouette. It's kind of like a silhouette karaoke. This is where our fantastic HD gaming theater is. Children get in here and never come out. It is so much fun. So you have various arcade games, of course TVs, pool table, but here's the best part. This huge screen is connected to all the latest video games, and it comes out in thunderous 5.1 channel surround sound. Children get in here, and I'm telling you, they just never come out. Somebody's playing video game and watching while 2 other kids are playing with them, or they're over here playing pool, or they're over here playing the bubble hockey. In some of the houses we have shuffleboard. So shuffleboard or bubble hockey, pool table, and this great video game theater, which are super comfortable. You can come down here and watch a sporting event here too if you like. This is hooked up to cable. It's also hooked up to Netflix, so you can watch movies, sports, and so on. There's 3 bedrooms down here. These 2 share a bathroom, but again, look at the beauty in this bedroom. Very nice bed, recessed ceiling with fine mahogany, a marble bathroom, and again, just like all the others, we have the etching, nice view of outside, and this shares with this double bedroom in here that has 2 double beds. There's also a privacy door here, so if a family wanted a 2-bedroom suite, and they can close this off and have complete privacy from the game room where you can share both suites. There's one more bedroom down here. The 8th bedroom is another master bedroom. Quick tour. This is the washer dryer in here. 1 washer, 2 dryers. Again, we're thinking of capacity here. A lot of people. This beautiful, beautiful bedroom is one of the masters. King size bed. And then check out this bathroom. It actually has a TV built into the mirror. You see that there? There's a TV in the mirror. So in the morning you can watch the news, You can never miss a play for a sporting event. And that's your tour.